rolling deep with the boys, soaking no police. We be the pirate wrecks, say that you can die facts. They stole who motor like it's Bobby time.
Oh yeah. Woo. This thing's gonna blow up in my face. Jesus. Woo! Fummins! Oh, whoa! Holy shit. When'd you guys get near my King Ranch? Oh, what a long, hard day over at work today. Oh my God. Had this one fat guy recommended some new White Claw drink to me, and I was just like, what the fuck, bro? Oh, and then I ran out of gas on my way home. Walk half a mile to the store, pick up the new DEF fluid that they got over there, and I was like, Jesus Christ, what am I gonna do here? Well, welcome back to another video, boys. Beautiful day over here at Bert. Enjoying the weather, enjoying the work here. Here we have super lift suspension. Why do we have that? And so basically, we're waiting for all our engine components over from DCS, Diesel Conversion Specialist, and I want to make it the best that's ever seen the road. Because there's other Fumminses out there, but there's never been a King Ranch Fummins in a 6.4 that looks like this. And I'm going to make it the most badass, of course. I mean, we've already been doing that if you've been watching the whole series. We have a purple Cummins, we did the undercoating, painted the calipers, we painted the bed, we fixed that. So yeah, I was like, oh, well, I'm going to be waiting around for a little bit, so I ordered this super lift suspension. And basically what this is, I'll let the wind die down here for a second. Yeah, now basically, for the truck here, we ordered the super lift suspension. And I was looking at shocks because I wanted to do the undercoating and then have shocks come in right as I finished the undercoating, so I could put the brand new shocks on, have the calipers, rotors, shocks look all awesome without having to worry about taping or masking or getting overspray on new parts or anything like that. So I was going to do Fox shocks because I already have Fox steering stabilizers, so that would have looked great matching the whole truck. And then I was like, wait a minute, those are $600 for all 4 shocks. I could get Bilsteins for $500 for all 4 shocks. And then I saw this super lift suspension system, which is all 4 shocks and a 3-inch lift kit for $350 with 1-day shipping. So I was like, I'll give it a go because it looked nice, and I'm kind of going for looks here, not really functionality at this time. We will be going for that though. I mean, we're going to be cranking some massive ponies out of this truck, but that's so far down the line that I can't be bothered thinking about it. So we're going to go ahead and do a how-to and a review on the super lift suspension system straight from Amazon. Now, I've done a couple lift kits before, never completely by myself. I usually have my buddy help me, who's a specialist, but this one seemed easy enough. Again, it's the super lift. And first thing I noticed is the packaging is half decent. They kind of separated all the parts, so there's our rear, there's our front lift, uno, dos, tres, cuatro for the shocks, so should be simple enough, right? They also give detailed instructions. Pops up right on it. Super lift suspension system, super lift leveling lift, install kit, 1 kit, installation instructions for 2005 to 2016 Ford F-250. And that should also fit other trucks as well. Gives you a little thing, tells you all the steps in USA with pictures. So, half decent. All the other kits I got came with like a little card and they had text on how to do stuff or something like that. This is like a full little manual, which actually makes it like, points out the bolts and the pictures, has the front and the back suspension separated, but this should be easy enough to do, so let's get after it. So you got one 10mm, take that off. Make sure your brake line doesn't stretch or get in the way. Next, I believe these are 8mm for your ABS sensor, take those off. Always remember now, only thing from stopping you from doing what you want is yourself. At least that's the way here it is in America, which is why it's the greatest country on earth, of course. But yeah, we're getting started here. We had to go get another jack. You sort of need two to do this. I mean, you could figure something out, but two jacks makes removing this spring here much easier. That's freed up. Yeah. This thing's gonna blow up in my face. Jesus. Woo. Yeah. Big old U-bolts. We'll compare them to the old ones. And a block. So the rear, pretty much you're just putting this block in. In the front, you're doing also the same, but slightly different because there's a little more work involved in the front end. Not too terrible. This is the block. Bottom guy right there. And then these springs are already adjusted for a lift as well. We got the new front shock in. I have this thing wicked compressed right now. It's kind of scary. I think this compressor right here might be too tall. Is there like... ones might be 22s. Let's see. Nope, 24s. UPS guy. Oh no. One odd thing about these shocks, you have to put the rubber boots in the back ones yourself. They come in the front. Not sure what's up with that. They also come with a bunch of extra things of those. You only need 2 for each shock, so. Anywho's, I've been installing them with these brass knuckles and this hammer. What one do you want this in? Yes, you want sleeve. Not a gigantic fan of hitting my new shocks with a hammer, but it's not that bad. Ooh, going right in. Okay, so this is the rear. About to rain, not good. We got this side done though, spring in. We messed up the paint putting it in though, so we're gonna have to fix the paint. That compressor needs to shut up. Got the block in the back, brake line reattached. Shock. Bingo.